Good evening, everyone. Long line of sessions, right? This is the last one. How many of you are like, you were waiting to go? I saw someone, their friend held their hand. Nahi, nahi, abhi tu nahi ja sakta. Some familiar faces. Hi. Others as well. Hi. Okay. Great. So I am Pooja, and this is our last conversation. But I hope this is the first conversation and many, many conversations that you keep having. Because this is going to be on careers in mental health, right? Before I begin, I want to give a disclaimer. We cannot decide a career path in 45 minutes. Guys, this is a lot of pressure on me. Okay? And I would like to transfer some of that pressure on you, ताकि थोड़ा आप मेरे साथ homework करें. But I think what I'm trying to bring here today is some of the conversations that I have had with young psychologists, students, peers in the community, and I think my own experiences, right? So there is no right recipe to become a psychologist in India. I'm sure there are credentials and qualifications. So wo aapko pata hai. I'm not going to talk about what is already there on Google, right? So let's make a pact to be with each other for next 45 minutes. And if you have any question in between, I invite you to hold that thought and bring it towards the end. Is that all right? Yeah? Great. So next slide, I want to call it visualizing career path. क्योंकि visualize ही कर सकते हैं 45 minutes में तो. I think this is what we can do. What we are trying to cover in the next 45 minutes is, I will invite you to look at your own intentions. ठीक है? अब psychologist हूँ, आप भी बनने वाले हो, तो थोड़ा तो पूछूंगी ही क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ जाना है, hopes क्या हैं. So we'll kind of get into what's your story. We'll look at the world of work in mental health. Now, so when I talk about psychology, we have to, when we limit, जब हम psychology careers की बात करते हैं, हम अपने आप को limited देखते हैं, right? Psychologist है, counselor है, psychiatrist है. But today we are going to open another window and talk about the world of work in mental health. And I am going to predominantly talk about Indian context. अगर आपके सवाल है कि देश के बाहर क्या चल रहा है, तो अभी वो 45 minutes में तो हम नहीं cover कर पाएंगे. Third is navigating this transition as a student to a professional. Like, what will this look like? What do we need to do more? And then, of course, setting up your private practice if you want to start your own enterprise. The commercials, the business part of it, I'll talk a little bit of that. Yeah? Next slide. So, you all have a notepad? Phone hai? Nahi to notepad to hai hai, right? So, there are 4 questions here, and the intention, this is more of an intention setting for our own self for these next 40 minutes, right? The first, I invite you to explore what brings you here, not just to this conference, but to the space where you are trying to build a career path in mental health, right? What brings you here? And you don't have to necessarily have a great long answer, right? मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बहुत सही answer है, but what brings you here? It could be a person, it could be a degree, it could be luck by chance you're here, it could be a stage of exploration, whatever brings you here at the moment. Yeah? Second, I invite you to write one worry, okay? A worry that you carry around. You know, now that you're here, either you are working in the space, या आप करना चाहते हो काम इस space में, what is the worry? And just straight go to it, like don't mince your words. Worry is the worry. Third, what are your hopes? If there is any hope at the moment. Hopes भी हो सकती हैं, hope भी हो सकती है. And fourth is offering. This we'll come to it as the last part. But before, anyone who would like to share the first 3 questions answer if they're comfortable. What brings you here? Let's start with that. Anyone? Yes?
So, what brings me here in a psychology path? It's basically my characters. I'm very empathetical and I like helping people.
Okay. What is your good name, if I may ask?
Sanskruti Khandelwal.
Sanskruti. So Sanskruti, your character, your nature as a person brings you here. Great. Worries? Any worry here in the room? या कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. We'll check if, yeah, please go ahead. Uncertainty. आई थिंक ये तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ लगा देना चाहिए, नहीं? मतलब अनसर्टन साइकोलॉजिस्ट वी आर, और हमसे सर्टेनिटी मांगोगे, मतलब बताओ कैसे चलेगा ये? ठीक है, अनसर्टेनिटी. थैंक यू सो मच. एनी अदर वरीज? आई रियली लाइक वरीज.
That by chance I'll not be satisfied with my life.
Arre, valid. Thank you for sharing that. What if I'm not satisfied with my life? Yes, Anushka?
The money how I will earn.
Okay, ये तो देखो shared pain है थोड़ा सा. Let's show a raise of hand in terms of how do we kind of get through it, build a business in it, will we able to make money? नहीं? समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है? अच्छा है, ये वरी है. अच्छा, मुझे लगा सबको आ गया, मतलब मुझे बता दो यार, मतलब ठीक है. तो होप. अच्छा, अभी वरीज, एनी अदर वरीज? अनसर्टेनिटी, व्हाट इफ आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, इज व्हाट इज द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी इन दिस स्पेस? एनी अदर वरीज? लॉन्ग प्रोसेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिकमिंग वेयर यू वांट? बिल्कुल. यस. How do we sustain the clients or patients that we work with? Patience in the field. Acha, haan. How to sustain this patience? Right. What if I run out of patience? Yes. What if my emotions overpower? Occupational hazard. Cutthroat competition, like competition here also, right? All of you are young professionals and wanting to create a mark in the field. Great. Yes. Last one.
What if I'm not good at it?
What if I'm not good at it? Right? I think, yes. We'll take one more. Yes. Not doing what I was hoping to do, right? So some of these are very common worries as well. If you see, like, you know, your peers are experiencing it and you are, and trust me, when I started, I also experienced all of these at magnitudes and levels and degrees and, you know, intensities. Any hope? I will take two hopes. What are the hopes in the room right now? Go ahead, just
To help and
to help.
get name, like
Earn some money. Name. Okay. The universe is with me. Any other hopes? There is no competition in tier 3 cities. वो research करके आए हैं. Great. It's a privilege to support people, right? So give yourself a big round of applause that we have our worries and they are very, very important and we are going to address some of them today. We're going to sit with them and there are these hopes that will keep us grounded for the next 30-40 minutes that we have. Great. So these are, again, this is something that I have been able to kind of structure it till this. अभी तक मेरा भी career path बन ही रहा है, but these are the 4 steps I have felt that are very significant to every time you are building any sort of career path in mental health, psychology, allied disciplines, wherever you want to go. First is understanding yourself. ठीक है? Second is understanding the world of work. A world of work में सब कुछ आएगा, demands, needs, and I'm going to talk more about that, right? Skills क्या required है, upcoming trends क्या है, what is the economics of mental health at the moment, right? कहाँ funding आ रही है, कौन से enterprises grow कर रहे हैं, what is the legality of doing a mental health service, being a mental health service provider in this country? Can you set up a private enterprise? Can you not? What is happening in the world of work, right? Third is building alternatives. I've already put it as the next step. It is part of the career path. That as you are setting up something, you need to have an alternative path along with it, something which complements it, right? And then third, last of course, career path and preparation, जो आपको Google पे मिल जाएगा कि eligibility क्या है, MPhil करना चाहिए क्या clinical psychology, ये सब question ना बहुत लोगों ने पूछ लिए, ये हो गया है. But if you still have those questions, we'll address them, but this information is available online. Understanding self. Cannot do it in 45 minutes, but I have something to give back to you, which I feel अगर वो congruent है and something that you need to keep doing again and again for yourself, right? Now, there are intentions जो सबने बोले, you know, why you want to be in the mental health space, but understanding yourself is slightly deeper than that, right? One is, of course, I have these desires. मैं अच्छा सुन सकती हूँ, शायद अच्छा बात कर सकती हूँ. I want to help people. I want to be in this space. It excites me maybe. I am curious about other people. So many of our intentions. But I want you to think about 3 important parts. Something which will help in your career sustenance. यहाँ एक worry tha, how will I sustain? What if I lose patience, right? These 3 things. So there's enough research that talks about, and there's one research that speaks about early counselors' intentions. And this research was recently out, and I can share that paper in Indian context. And people realize that if these 3 things are aligned, that the therapist or the psychologist or the mental health professional is more likely to sustain. 3 चीज़ें क्या है? Interest. Now, interest doesn't have to be just a personal interest, it needs to be work interest. I'll give you an example. मुझे केक बनाना बहुत पसंद है. I like baking. It's one of my interests. I love this as a hobby. But I don't want to do it on a daily basis. I don't want to make money out of it. So despite it being my personal interest, it is not my career interest. It is not my work interest. So you have to identify what are your work interests. Do you really like sitting and talking to people for longer hours? Do you like meeting new people? Do you like conceptualizing ideas? Do you like designing and developing programs? That's your interest. मुझे लोगों को मदद करना अच्छा लगता है. दिन के 8 घंटे करना अच्छा लगता है क्या? हर दिन उठकर करना अच्छा लगता है क्या? Do I want to be identified with that quality as a person? Right? So ask yourself and divide them. जब भी कोई interest आता है ना, ask yourself, do I want to do it on a daily basis? Right? So these are your work interests. Your values as an individual, I will not go in detail about it because then I will digress. Values in terms of what makes you who you are at the moment, right? What do you value? Do you value, I want to help people, if there is any altruism, that value that comes into my mind, right? Or do I value studying a discipline and then applying it? That's also something that psychologists are consciously doing, right? So you identify your values and skills. And I'm going to, in the next slide, talk about this. Come back, wait, next slide. No, next. Yeah. Stay here. Now, a lot of you have looked at, अच्छा, masters कौन खत्म कर लिया इधर? Show a raise of hand. अच्छा, what skills your masters gave you? Okay, I am going to rephrase this question just for our own sanity here. Because all of us are going to feel like not great after next 5 minutes. What are the skills that you feel you've been able to inculcate in the 2 years of your master's program, or you hope to kind of build in the next master's program that you take up? Skills. Empathy, okay. Observation, listening, active listening, teaching others efficiently, communication, patience, comprehension, critical thinking, micro skills, analyzing. But कैसे पता चला ये सीख लिया है? Critical thinking कैसे पता चला सीख लिया है? Give me an example. Which paper you feel was in your master's which helped you to develop critical thinking? Okay, sorry. मतलब फिर भी क्या काम कर रहे थे, क्या स्किल ऑब्जर्व किया आपने? Okay, so MSc के skills लिए हमने, clinical skills लिए, okay. Is this question bothering you a little bit? It should. The intention of this question is to bother us. Now, let me break this idea that as psychologists, of course, there are these technical skills that we need to have, right? Like in terms of micro skills, clinical skills, observational skills, communication skills, the skills to ask questions, right? Inquiring with your client, sitting with your client, genuinity, authenticity, empathy. बट ये सब ऐसे नहीं है कि 2 घंटे के कोर्स में या 2 साल के कोर्स में आप इनकलकेट कर सकते हो, नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? सो टेक्निकल स्किल्स इज वन पार्ट. And do you all agree with me that each masters will have their own range of skills that they will give it to you? And no master's degree is going to guarantee कि सब मैं दूंगा तुमको. Is anyone giving any guarantee? नहीं हो रहा है. So even after masters, have you heard psychologists and your peers complaining or sharing कि यार अभी तक clarity नहीं है, what should I do? Right? Now that's where I want you to now bring your focus to other forms of skills. Psychological skills to become a psychologist are mandatory. You will need to have them. You need to have that degree, okay? That goes without saying. But some of the skills that we have observed and research says, and something that I've observed when I talk to young people, I've divided them into 3 categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. So primary, I feel something that you all need to build as young professionals, consciously think about and keep working towards. Some of these will include emotional regulation, critical thinking, inquisitiveness, empathy, sensitivity, observations, all your micro skills in psychology, networking and peer support. You know, as psychologist, 80% of your business that you get in the first year is through networking and peer support. So this is one of the very, very significant skills in whichever field you go. Chahe aap development, I'll talk about various areas that you can work in, but this is one of the primary skills. Now, for example, you're here in conference. This is a space to network. This is a space to network with peers. कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, if you can align with them. So a lot of your group work that you are given in college, a lot of your field work that you're given in college is done with an intention to इनकलकेट नेटवर्किंग एंड पीयर सपोर्ट, बट हमारा हो नहीं पाता. हम एक ही सर्कल में रुक जाते हैं और फिर थोड़ा सा अलग बॉन्डिंग शुरू हो जाता है, एंड देन वी लाइक अच्छा जॉब तो मिल ही जाएगी बाहर, राइट? सो लॉट ऑफ योर ग्रोथ एंड करियर पाथ विल डिपेंड ऑन नेटवर्किंग एंड पीयर सपोर्ट. पीयर सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू गेट मोस्ट ऑफ योर रेफरल्स फ्रॉम अदर. तो कोई बहुत सीनियर थेरेपिस्ट आपको रेफर नहीं करेंगे. It's unlikely to start with, but your peers who have just started working with you are likely to kind of help you and support you in wherever you are likely to tell you, अरे यार यहाँ पे एक opening है, maybe this could be a right fit for you. So these are other skills that you need to constantly think about. Secondary, of course, understanding of technology. And I've also put skills to follow through educational requirement in secondary, because I felt primary में नहीं आना चाहिए, वो secondary में आना चाहिए, क्योंकि primary is a lot to do with who you are as a person already and what you want to keep building on as you go along. Facilitation skills. Tertiary is public relations, ability to work in team, leadership, data analytics. अब आप बोल रहे हो यार पूजा हमने तो स्टैट्स ऑलरेडी इतना मुश्किल से पास किया है, अब ये बीच में डेटा एनालिटिक्स कहाँ से आ गया, right? I'll give you a reason why I'm talking about data analytics. So some of these skills that I have listed here will directly impact the current and emerging trends of mental health in India. So for example, here research and perceptual skills and understanding of technology is highly needed at the moment in the tech startup space of mental health. India is likely to receive 30% increase in funding in mental health startups by 2030. Okay? US अभी saturate हो रहा है, European markets saturate हो रहे हैं, India and Asian markets are still now rising. So अभी तक funding आया ही नहीं है. So we are still going to see a graph where, so have you seen a normality curve, right? So we are just at the start of the normality curve if you look at investments, foreign investments in mental health space in Asian countries. So we are just at the start, and that's why I say data analytics. Data analytics could be done through smaller courses, short-term courses, and if you are a psychologist and combine data analytics, you are likely to more perform in the mental health tech space, right? And I'll give you examples why and how. Let's move ahead. So this is the current mental health landscape in India. First, I'll talk about privately owned spaces. जहाँ पे, now these are the spaces you can directly target after your masters. Okay, these are the spaces which I have put down, not necessarily will always need you to have certain years of experience. Okay, so there is of course this narrative that goes around among students and young psychologists that experience नहीं है तो काम नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं है. एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो जो एग्जैक्टली आपको चाहिए ना वो काम नहीं मिलेगा, काम मिलेगा. So I assure you that there is enough work in the mental health space in our country. But yes, of course, if you want the right recipe कि मुझे इस तरह के 4 client चाहिए हर दिन, इस तरह का office चाहिए, इस तरह के peers चाहिए, वो नहीं मिलेगा. This is the current mental health landscape. If you want to take a picture of this, you can, and I'm also going to share examples of where you can start looking at. The easiest to start with is look into your city and look at the private organizations that are run. Private organizations क्या होती हैं जो sole proprietorship है या limited liability partnership है. तो कोई भी कंपनी के आगे जब आप सर्च करते हो, if they have written, for example, our company's name is Safety and You Wellbeing LLP. LLP is limited liability partnership. That means it's a privately owned company. That means they are going to, this is a space again. If you want to look at the developmental sector, they are going to use more like non-for-profit organizations, right? And they will be then looked at into developmental space. So private organizations, look at your city, look at LLPs that are around you. You can even Google what are mental health companies in your city. Okay, that's a great place to start. Mental health jobs in Pune, वो आपको स्कूल काउंसलर, एडमिशन काउंसलर का जॉब का एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखाया. हुआ है किसी के साथ ऐसा? काउंसलर जॉब्स और ऐसे जॉब्स निकल कर आ रही है तो काउंसलर के लिए है ही नहीं, right? So you need to search differently. Look for mental health privately owned companies. On LinkedIn, go ahead, mental health companies and startups in Pune. So आपको LLP, it's a open data available by government, right? So you'll get access to this data. Second, mental health hospitals. So all government hospitals are likely to have a mental health department. Now this is again tricky space because if you have a clinical degree, clinical psychologist, you are likely to get more recognition or entry here. Again, hospitals a great space. Teaching training पे मैं बाद में आऊँगी, वो एकदम सब में last में लिखा है. Setting up your private practice, I will talk in detail about what is the kind of game in India. How do you set up a private practice? In the government space, it's always more fluid. Now, government projects and developmental space will always work state-wise in India. So, if you think कि आपको एक non-for-profit organization में काम करना है या trust के साथ काम करना है या projects basis पे काम करना है, you want to gain experience, so this is where you start with. If you feel like, so this is how you plan your mind, okay? If you feel like the end goal is setting up a private practice, so तीनों चीज़ मैंने जो first लिखा है, if that is the end goal, आप नीचे की जगह पे काम करना शुरू करते हो. आपको सीधा immediately आप शायद confidence नहीं रहेगा या you will feel like how do I start my private practice immediately after my masters, right? So you start doing other things जो नीचे के 4 हैं. So this is your alternative plan. तो मेरा गोल है प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस. ऑल्टरनेटिव्स ये हैं कि आई विल वर्क विद समबडी, आई विल टीच, आई विल डू ट्रेनिंग, आई विल टेक अप प्रोजेक्ट्स, रिसर्च, एंड देन आई विल डू दैट. इफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड दैट यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ नॉन फॉर प्रॉफिट, आपको अपना एडवाइजरी बोर्ड खोलना है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलानी है, अगर आपको ट्रस्ट बनाना है, यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर ओन फाउंडेशन, देन यू डू दीज थिंग्स. फील्ड एक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स, यूजुअली जब भी ये वर्ड आप देखो फील्ड एक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स, दे आर गोइंग टू बी मोर एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड. एक्शन वर्ड आया है यहाँ पे. फील्ड मतलब दे आर गोइंग टू बी आउट स्टेशन मोस्टली. प्रोजेक्ट मतलब शॉर्ट टर्म होंगे. दैट मीन्स दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन फंडिंग, right? So anytime there is a job inquiry for projects, always remember it is going to be time bound. ये इंटरव्यू में आप जब घबरा के पूछते हो अरे कितने महीने में निकाल दोगे, वो फंडिंग पे डिपेंडेंट होता है, राइट? सो व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग एट, इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन द डेवलपमेंटल स्पेस, यू स्टार्ट विद प्रोजेक्ट्स, ओके? यू वर्क विद institutions इनके field action projects. What you can also do is you can reach out to your favorite faculty. So most of these universities have faculty departments और हर department के लिए एक fund allocated होता है. हर साल they come up with at least one project. So you reach out to your favorite faculty and you tell them that can I be a part of this project? Do these projects pay well? No. But do you get a lot of experience? Yes. Okay. So you can do funded advocacy and mental health programs. Again, these are part of why I said it is state wise, because it also depends कि किस state के पास किस वक्त mental health funding ज़्यादा आया है. So you'll see, for example, at the moment Karnataka has the highest amount of funding. तो वहाँ पे कुछ projects ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं. महाराष्ट्र में हमेशा थोड़ा कम ही होता है. हम थोड़े थोड़े बीच में हैं. Bihar, Chhattisgarh or come. So you'll see, how state-wise also it will matter. So when you're applying, think about which state you're applying into, right? Here again, you can check out UNDP websites. So some of these smaller projects are also taken up by smaller organizations in India and are funded by international organizations. Always great places to check, great experience. So if you want to spend the first 2 years of your field on the field, then you should, my advice would be to start here on funded projects, field action projects, and then moving into non-for-profit. ठीक है? Upcoming spaces क्या है? Mental health startups. Of course, there is enough noise about them क्योंकि वो खुद ही बता रहे हैं हम हैं. Second, mental health media and publication houses. So if you're someone who doesn't enjoy, यार मुझे mental health therapy work नहीं करना है, मुझे practitioner नहीं बनना है, but you can still be a mental health professional. There's a difference, right? Mental health practitioner, mental health professional. So there are these companies who require content writing, not just necessarily just blogs. So for example, Visa is a mental health startup. Do you all know Visa? How many of you know Visa here? Okay, so Visa is US biggest funded Indian mental health startup, and Visa has developed the first AI chatbot. Now, AI चलना चाहिए नहीं चलना चाहिए उसमें नहीं जाएंगे. Careers in mental health वाला topic है. I don't want to go here and there. But for example, Visa constantly hires psychologists who create just content for their app. They research on what will people like to engage with. Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube hire psychologists, by the way, for their understanding of context. Google, for example, they have a department on diversity and inclusion. They will have a psychologist to create policies on mental health. So there are publication houses who require psychologists to write. Will you write only on mental health? No, you will write on the social space. But yes, that's a great upcoming space. I don't know how many of you know Sanity by Tanmay? So Tanmay is this independent journalist and he's not a practitioner. He's running this publication for a very long time. If you don't know him, go Google him. उनके बारे में पढ़ो Twitter पे, and he runs a great successful newsletter. So that's how he's making money, right? So great space again. Headspace है जो US based startup है, they constantly need content writers. So media publication houses at the moment also need psychologists to help them. Content development is a great space. Both digital media, print media, content development. Now in the content space, psychologists can charge per word. They don't charge per post, by the way. So for example, if you are helping other companies to develop their programs and profiles, great space again. And if you feel like, Pooja, मुझे start में ना immediately practice नहीं करना है, that's again a good space to kind of experiment and build network, because you're going to need a lot of networking skills here. Tech-based platforms, you can join them as technical officers, psychologists, develop programs, research and development in all three spaces. So this is the current mental health landscape in India. Where do you go from here? That end goals can be 3, routes can be many. Okay? I'm going to pause here, take a minute. Any questions, or are you all here with me? Or is this information reaching? Are we good? Like, how is it going? Is it all right? Guys, any questions at the moment? Yes.
Done with their master's.
Anyone can do it. Anyone. So ये जो मैं आपको space बता रही हूँ ना, mental health startup वाला space, यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि they hire a psychologist to do only content work. See, of course, to take therapy sessions, you need to become a professional first. But these are other spaces, right? That's what I'm trying to tell you. One is to become a mental health practitioner. Another is to becoming a mental health professional. Mental health professionals are trainers, teachers, advocates, they're entrepreneurs. Right? So there is a lot more. So you have to change the way you think and also search differently on Google. थोड़ा सा ये आपको करना पड़ेगा. Counseling jobs in पुणे में आपको सच में admission counselor के ही मिलेंगे. सच में वही मिलेंगे क्योंकि वही कीवर्ड है. अपन अब आए ना mental health. 25 सालों से वही काउंसलिंग चल रही है. अब हमें लगा नहीं हम मेंटल हेल्थ करेंगे, राइट? तो फिर चेंज हो गया ये. अभी तक गूगल ने चेंज नहीं किया उनका एल्गोरिथम, राइट? सो यू हैव टू लुक एट इट डिफरेंटली हियर. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So now that if you are in transition, next slide. I would invite you to look at 4 things. उस 4 में भी आप 2 ही चीज़ों पे actively कुछ कर सकते हो, something which is in your control. Align your short term and long term goals. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि जो first point था वहाँ पे in the list was your long term goal. Short term की एक list बनानी होगी आपको. And the short term goals can be as simply as for the next 2 years. And you might say, अच्छा पूछो 2 साल तक short term ही चलता रहेगा. Quite possible. So research and my observation says for the next first 2 years of a psychologist can feel like more short term goals. I know there's uncertainty. I know it feels like, oh, short term means that I'll keep changing things. Possibly, yes. And if you are, that's a good sign. I also want to tell you that. There's nothing, ऐसा नहीं है कि shit, how do I keep changing things and why am I not finding what I really want, right? So it's a completely good sign, it's all right. So first 2 years can feel like short-term goals. Believe in your lived experiences. You know yourself better. You have spent like 20, 21 years with you. You know that if you know that, yeah, I cannot sit in a company from morning 9 to 8 in the evening, that's not my style, then you better take up project work, if that's something that suits you better. If you are someone who would like structure, कि नहीं मुझे सुबह जाके पंच इन करके 6 बजे तक अपना काम खत्म करके निकल जाना है, मुझे structure चाहिए बॉस, मेरे को अच्छा salary चाहिए. You believe in, you ask yourself what kind of excites you more, and you believe in your lived experience for the first 2 years. Skill enhancement and finding your niche. Next slides. Next, So I'll send these 2 slides. These are some of the suggestions on skill enhancement. These are some of the places where you can find some courses. I can share them with the Mukta Foundation and they can share it across. Next slide. Next. No. Okay. Yeah. Here. Sorry. So I will talk about skill enhancement. And skill enhancement में 3 चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना. आगे एक slide है. अगर कोई भी कहीं कोर्स पे लिखा हो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स, 3 तरह के कोर्सेज होते हैं जो आपको इमीडिएटली मास्टर्स के बाद देखने को मिलेंगे. सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इज़ यूजुअली इंफॉर्मेशन गिविंग, उसमें स्किल बिल्डिंग नहीं होता है. तो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स में आप क्या ध्यान रखोगे? अक्रेडिशन देखोगे फैसिलिटेटर का, और जो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, जो दे रहे हैं कोर्स, उनका अक्रेडिशन देखोगे. डिप्लोमा कोर्स यूजुअली हैज़ टू बी फॉर 1 year प्रोग्राम. डिप्लोमा में आपको स्किल बिल्डिंग मिलेगा. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू डू अ सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इन कम्युनिटी मेंटल हेल्थ एंड इफ यू टेल मी दैट आई हैव बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट इन कम्युनिटी मेंटल हेल्थ, नो. सर्टिफिकेट इज जस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन गिविंग. ठीक है. डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम मीन्स यू विल हैव मोर स्किल बिल्डिंग. इट शुड हैव अ फील्ड वर्क component and it needs to be affiliated to an university. If someone is telling you this is a 1 year diploma program and it is not affiliated to a university, there's a possibility that you may not be actually getting credits of what you want to do. और हो सकता है कि जब आप जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करने जाओ वो पूछे आपको कि यार ये कोर्स कहाँ से आ गया. Because now why I'm saying this information to you, because there's a lot of noise around psychology courses on Instagram, on social media. और वो जो 2 घंटे वाले 2 दिन वाले जो वो कोर्सेज होते हैं ना, जो Instagram पे दिख रहे हैं आजकल, they're not bad. Okay, so some of the independent practitioners, for example, yesterday I saw a post on LinkedIn that one of the therapists is organizing a 2 hours course on how to ask questions to your clients. Not a problem with that course. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, recommendations हैं किसी के, ले लो. But will that certificate really land you up a job? No. So ये जो छोटे courses है जो आप इंटरनेट पे देख रहे हो, ये आप तब करो जब आप अपना प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर रहे हो, where you don't have to prove your certificate to yourself, you're rather just going for the skill. But कई जगह आपको सर्टिफिकेट लगेगा. अगर जैसे आप ट्रॉमा इन्फॉर्म्ड प्रैक्टिशनर बनना चाहते हो, you will need the certification, and for that you must take up a 1 year diploma program or a short term course to start with, right? So this is what you need to take care when you do skill enhancement. I'll talk very briefly about finding your niche. Niche has to be, now a lot of psychologists talk about what is my niche. So what if we do niche after we set private practice? Okay, so let's move to private practice. Yeah. So ab samajh lo, how many of you here in this room want to become a private practitioner? अच्छा, मन में ख्याल है, पता नहीं है अभी तक. Show a raise of hand. मतलब मुझे भी बनना है इसलिए. Or how many of you feel like I don't want to go on this path at all? I want to work with companies, I want to work with organizations, I want to work in school, I want to work with teams. Okay. How many of you feel like I'll do part-time private practice, maybe later on, once I'm a little more experienced? Plenty, plenty. Okay. So setting up your private practice in India means first to understand and see it as an entrepreneurial activity. Of course, masters करना mandatory है, psychologist बनो, skill लो, niche तक हम आएंगे. In India, if you were to set up a private practice, first registration that you need to do is you're doing a commercial activity, right? You have to take up a Shop Act license. ठीक है? शॉप एक्ट लाइसेंस लोगे. अब ये कौन बनाते हैं ये सब, कौन कहाँ से लेंगे पूजा? ऑनलाइन नहीं मिलता है, ऐसे जाके कहीं से खरीद नहीं सकते हैं. ठीक है, यू हैव टू गो एंड अप्लाई फॉर इट. हाउ, वेयर डू यू गो एंड अप्लाई? Maybe if you have a CA in your family or a company secretary, they will help you do these compliances. You have to take a Shop Act license. ठीक है? So or if you want to make a company, for example, आप decide करते हो पूजा नहीं मुझे एक सर्विस रन नहीं करनी है. I want to start a mental health cafe. I want to do trainings under it. I want to offer courses. I want to do multiple things in my mental health space. Then it is preferable that you register yourself as a company. Limited liability partnership company or a sole proprietor company, right? Sole proprietor मतलब आप अकेले करता धरता. Limited liability partnership मतलब कितने भी partner आ सकते हैं. So legally LLP is more safe and secure because that means पूजा is separate from safety and you well-being. कल पूजा पे कोई केस होता है, safety and you well-being, LLP is safe. I am just one partner in LLP. Okay? So for example, अगर आप किसी के साथ business शुरू कर रहे हो, किसी friend के साथ प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस या एक मेंटल हेल्थ सेटअप शुरू कर रहे हो, डोंट डू इट हमने बात कर ली है, हम फ्रेंड्स हैं, हमने शुरू कर लिया है. डोंट डू दैट. Everything needs to be documented, everything needs to be legally, formally done on the paper because GST is applicable on mental health services in our country, right? So you will have to file your taxes, by the way. Guys, that's also important. I'll also talk about that. So register your company. If you're doing it with a friend, preferably make a limited liability partnership or a partnership firm जिसमें एक affidavit होता है, कभी देखा है? स्टैम्प पेपर होता है, उसमें लिखा होता है किसका कितना शेयर है और आप क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे उस कंपनी के अंडर. ठीक है? और आप कितनी भी लिख सकते हो, जो मन करे आप लिख सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेंटल हेल्थ कंपनी शुरू की तो हम सिर्फ थेरेपी सर्विसेज ही देंगे. यू कैन टीच, यू कैन कंडक्ट ट्रेनिंग्स, यू कैन ऑफर आउटबाउंड कंसल्टेशन सर्विसेज, यू कैन डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. ट्रेड नेम एंड ट्रेड मार्क. हैव यू सीन मॉन्जिनीस? उसके ऊपर आर लिखा हुआ होता है, क्या है वो? रजिस्टर्ड. ठीक है? और अपने लोनावाला में चिक्की कितने हैं? मंगनलाल चिक्की सब है, तो उन्होंने अपना ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर नहीं किया. ठीक है? तो ट्रेडमार्क अगर आप बनाएं तो उसको रजिस्टर करें. दैट मीन्स नो वन कैन यूज दैट नेम इन ऑफ योर कंपनी. Again, this is very important. If you, for example, later on you go into funding, you want to scale your organization, you want to grow your business, this will come into your help. Nature of services आप उसी के अंदर decide करोगे. So as a company, when you start your private practice, sit down, brainstorm, what do I do? What do I want to do? Your private practice is not offering just therapy sessions. We equate it like this. कि मैं जाऊँगा या मैं जाऊँगी और हम सेशंस देंगे लोगों को and this is what my private practice will look like. No. See it in terms of an entrepreneurial activity. What more would you like to do in that? Would you like to hire people? Will you have consultants? Would you like to offer discounts? Whatever. You have to conceptualize it like an entrepreneurial activity. Next slide. Working out numbers. Now this is where we talk about finance and money. This is my favorite topic. I enjoy this part of mental health entrepreneurial journey. So making a business plan. Now how many of you have done business plans in your life? Great. Yeah, we have a good number of raise of hands. Great. So can anyone give me an example? What was their initial stage like? What was the first thing that you did when you thought of a business plan?
First, understanding what it is that we're making a plan for, understanding its scope and how will we start it.
Great. Audience, absolutely. Who is my audience? Who is my population? Yes? Absolutely. Great, great, wonderful. So we have to identify our market. All of you are absolutely right. Identify your market, your target population. Do you work with children? Do you work with adolescents? Do you work with couples, adults, geriatric population? City के अंदर चाहिए, बाहर से लोग आने चाहिए, student population चाहिए. So what is the target population that you're looking at? Okay, so you have to define सब चीजें आप एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हो. Slowly you scale. Then you look at an investment plan. ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट निकालते हो आप अपने महीने की. ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल खुद को चलाने का खर्चा, ठीक है, ऑफिस का रेंट कितना होगा. सो आपकी एक जो एक्सेल शीट होगी, इफ यू वांट आई कैन शेयर अ सैम्पल एक्सेल शीट दैट शुड हैव बेसिक्स ऑफ ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाईफाई. यू अकाउंट फॉर एवरी सिंगल रुपी कि इतना अगर मेंटल हेल्थ स्पेस प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस चलाना है पूजा का, ये महीने का खर्चा होगा ही होगा. क्लाइंट आए या नहीं आए, क्लाइंट पैसे दे या नहीं दे, दिस इज द मिनिमम एक्सपेंस दैट सेफ स्टोरीज विल मेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू डिसाइड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट इज 100 रुपीज, ओके, एंड इफ आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क फॉर ओनली 4 hours in a day because I have other commitments, for example I'm studying or whatever, I'm taking up other things, और मुझे कमाना है monthly, I want 50 rupees with me. I want minimum 50 rupees for myself. मेरा खर्चा 15 रुपए है, 50 रुपए है. So total income that you want is 150 rupees. Safe stories will need irrespective of whether you are also there in office or not. 100 rupees आपका लगने वाला है. That shouldn't go from your pocket. So and 50 आपको और चाहिए, 150. So और 4 घंटे ही काम करना है. So 150 divided by 4 is your hourly cost. So how do you come up with your charges, therapy charges? Random नहीं चिट निकालते हैं 1200 रुपए, 800 रुपए, या उसने 800 रखे मैं भी 800 रखूँगी, नहीं. So this is how you come up with your hourly cost. So next time you're giving your 1 hour to somebody, you will know. So as an entrepreneur, you should always know your hourly cost. And we are into service industry. हम हमारा product हैं. We are the service. हम बीमार हो गए तो हम काम नहीं कर पाएंगे. So you have to account those hours also. आप छुट्टी पे हो, उस दिन काम नहीं हो रहा है. You have to account those hours also. जिस दिन आपका teammate बीमार है, उस दिन काम नहीं होगा. So your business plan will always have additional hours. So your hourly cost as a therapist will always be higher. So that's why therapists charge more, right? You will observe in private practice, again that's a debate, right? Why therapists charge more, and in terms of entrepreneurial sense, what I'm going to tell you, per hour costing is always going to define what your therapy services and charges will look like. उसके बाद वापस आप पीछे जाओगे business plan में, अरे मेरा hourly cost 3000 रुपए है और मैंने target population student सोचा था. Is it going to match? No. So you again revise. And that's what we call as pivoting in mental health entrepreneurial activity. You keep pivoting. If it is not working, how do I pivot and come up with next population? उस population पे के साथ काम करने का skill ही नहीं है, तो I again go back. I do skill enhancement. Right? So this is the chain that you keep working on in order to build a private practice. So next slide. I think this is, a lot of you are already aware of creating a market, branding, organic leads, inorganic leads. So the research says 20% of the leads can be generated through social media platforms. Only 20%. 80% of your leads when you start will be by the quality of work that you have done. So for example, if they have seen me, if I have seen them in therapy, they are my therapist and they are good, I'm likely to tell. Therapy is one service where people will trust more word of mouth. So for example, if I know you, I'll tell, oh, this is a good therapist. They're more likely to come and trust me. I have seen at Safe Stories, we have been in the space for past 5 years now. People travel from Bombay sometimes. I've seen the commitment that people honor in their own stories, right? And that's what is going to give you trust to do mental health entrepreneurial activity. It's not like any other business. And that's why I keep telling we need more learning, skill and training for young professionals to how to do business in mental health space, how to become a mental health entrepreneur. Because this is not like any other mental health entrepreneurial activity. I'll give you one example. For example, जब कोई jeweler अपने shop का opening करता है या architect या restaurant, they can call all their prestigious clients. They indeed make sure that they call all of them to show their network, right? To show their worth, to show their profile. Can you call your clients? Can you even recognize your clients in the public space? They don't, and we don't also, right? So we work in a very sensitive, confidential, private service industry. So you cannot use other business mechanisms to build this business. You have to work on your skill, you have to work on your gut and real math work. कि आपका आर कहाँ जाएगा, आपकी कॉस्टिंग क्या है इस सेटअप को रन करने की. मेंटल हेल्थ एंटरप्रेन्योरियल वर्क इज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट. सो 20% मार्केटिंग पे खर्चा करो, डू योर सोशल मीडिया. बट हमेशा व्हेन आई से 20% मतलब फिर दिन का कितना होना चाहिए? अगर आप 8 घंटे काम कर रहे हो तो दिन का 20% कितना हुआ? 2. मतलब इट हैज़ टू बी 80 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम. सो 1 घंटे के ऊपर आपका मेंटल हेल्थ सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो अगर हम 6 घंटे सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट बना रहे हैं ताकि हमें क्लाइंट्स मिलेंगे, नॉट नीडेड. आई टेल माई टीम डेली 1 आवर मैक्सिमम, जो है डाल दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. बहुत सारी नॉइज है वहाँ पे, जो डालना है डाल दो. वी नीड टू बी एक्टिव, बट 1 घंटे के ऊपर नहीं. इफ एनी ऑल ऑफ माई टीम मेंबर्स आर गिविंग 1 आवर एवरी डे, नो, we are not productive, we are not efficient, right? So mental health marketing 20%. Let's move ahead. So as you do that, please take care of yourself because you will be navigating your personal and professional. Just last slide, take us to the next. Yes, stay here. Role of self-care, the only way to run a private practice or a company or a mental health entrepreneurial space is by taking care of yourself and the people who work with you. Imagine that you have a team of psychologists, everyone is self-aware. Everyone will call you out on if you're making them work too much. You are going to burn out. Everyone knows that this is an occupational hazard, and that's why coming up with a business plan, a proper structure that how many of us really need to take how many sessions. So on an average, if you want to make a decent living, you should not be doing more than 12 sessions in a week. तो अब आप अपना कैलकुलेशन कर लो कितना चार्ज करना चाहिए. अगर आप 12 सेशंस के ऊपर कर रहे हो इन अ वीक, यू आर लाइकली टू बर्न आउट. या फिर आप अपने कहीं ना कहीं दूसरी चीज़ों में टाइम कट कर रहे हो. Yeah? So you decide how you want to place yourself. One is, of course, therapy work and managing other things. Your documentation, skill building, all of that comes into picture. So taking care of yourself is extremely important. Monitor your expectations, make business plans, create that amount in your bank. Take loans. Loans are available. If you identify as a woman and if you want to apply for women entrepreneurial loans, you get women startup loans. You get a lot of other benefits as well. You can apply for that. Ask your CA and CS to help you understand all of that. Initially GST applicable होगा तो थोड़ा सा अपने CA के साथ बैठ के समझो कि उस GST को कैसे बचा सकते हो. I will not get into that right now. So all of that will help you save your time and actually help you make more financially stable decisions in your private practice. Take care of yourself, nurture interests beyond mental health. जैसे अभी मैं यहाँ आके बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, I run a company. We have been doing that successfully for I think 4 years now, and I can utilize my Sunday here. But yeah, I want to go and rest also. But yeah, so you need to have other interests. You need to teach, train, take up other projects, network, peer. It will increase your private practice. It will increase your business. Practice mindfulness. ये तो therapist हो आप सब लोग, आपको क्या ही बताना है, मतलब आप मुझे सिखा सकते हो. So I'll kind of pause here and take questions because I think I'm running out of time and I can see Dipali there. Any questions? Quick questions. Yes.
We have talked a lot about doing private practice.
Yes.
But what about if we want to do research as our, like, what if we want to earn through research? Because there's a lot
What
of
is the eligibility criteria if you want to be a researcher? Anyone?
PhD and
उसके पहले JRF और NetSet. So the question is how to build a career path as a researcher, right? So all the three spaces that I spoke about will have research component. ठीक है, बहुत सारी इंडिया में रिसर्च जो प्राइवेट फंडेड होती हैं वो प्राइवेट फंडेड ही होती है मतलब इसलिए रिसर्च नहीं होती है इंडिया में. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डोंट हैव एलोकेटेड बजट्स बाय आवर गवर्नमेंट, वी डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बजट्स डन बाय आवर गवर्नमेंट, इसीलिए पीएचडी सीट्स भी लिमिटेड होती है हर यूनिवर्सिटी में. So PhD, yes, can be a source, of course, as a higher degree. GRF is there, NetSet is there. Being part of academic institutions and then becoming part as a research assistant. But again, in Pune, there are limited spaces. CMHLP is one. You can take up individual organizations, non-profit organizations who are research heavy. So for example, Sangat is one, CMHLP is one. So जो लोग field action कर रहे हैं वो research भी करेंगे to showcase their data क्योंकि उनको तभी पैसा मिलेगा. They will always have a research assistant also. So you can start working from there. Yes. Academics and teaching same. Eligibility has to be there in India क्योंकि वो तो mandatory है. You need to have NetSet in order to apply as lecturership into colleges. In colleges teaching there are two types. I'll just close it quickly. Aided positions होती है, एक non-aided होती है. किसी को पता है इसके बारे में? अच्छा, इंपॉर्टेंट बात है ये. तो समझ लो आप कहीं टीचिंग पोजीशन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो. प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो होती हैं वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट पोजीशंस नहीं होती हैं. सो दैट मीन्स दे डिसाइड द पे स्केल एंड दे कैन शट डिपार्टमेंट्स. दे कैन टेल यू कि अब आपको ये भी काम करना पड़ेगा, सोशोलॉजी का एक क्लास भी पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, हो सकता है, ऐसा होता है. Aided positions are in government affiliated colleges where you get aided positions. मतलब एक scale होता है. So 7th पे commission चल रहा है अभी इंडिया में. So that says a professor with this years of experience on this grade has to be paid minimum 60,000 rupees. So you will get that payment. So you don't have to negotiate on your salary when you get an aided position. But yes, aided positions are very, very hard to get. Most of the departments in Maharashtra, we see government is not opening more funding opportunities in humanities spaces and psychology departments. That means हर department में एक aided position है जो already भरी हुई है. ठीक है, बट आपको tier 3 cities जैसे औरंगाबाद, नासिक, यहाँ पे जो government colleges है वहाँ आपको aided position मिल सकती हैं. They pay well and you can be a part of academia. Any other question?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good
So,
evening.
I have a question like when we begin our private practice,
Mm-hmm.
so not every client, we don't have every expertise कि जो client पूछेगा हमें उसका पता ही होगा ठीक से.
बिल्कुल.
So how to navigate that self-doubt that occurs during the therapy?
Okay, I will answer it in two ways. Before what you do, so that you have more ability and energy to do it as a therapist. First is, for example, when I started my private practice, I started it from a छोटा सा cubicle. I rented it out. Sunday को जाके अपना बैनर खुद लगाती थी मैं और सबको and I created my own admin ID. ठीक है, तो admin से भी खुद ही रिप्लाई कर रही हूँ, बट हाँ एडमिन आईडी होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो एडमिन नंबर खुद ही जाके हाई दिस इज पूजा, हाई दिस इज एडमिन, या हाउ डू आई हेल्प यू. So first is setting that boundary for yourself. Start seeing it as entrepreneurial activity. And that's the tightrope you have to find a way to navigate. You're a therapist, but also you're an entrepreneur. You cannot take all clients. As a therapist, you would want, Arey, how do I help this person? As an entrepreneur, in you will tell, no, this is not your job. आप ये काम नहीं, अपन ये बेचते नहीं है. For example, अगर चांदी के बर्तन खरीदने वाली दुकान पे तांबा अपन खरीदने जा रहे हैं, नहीं मिलेगा वहाँ पे, right? Second part is, but you know, you are a jeweler sitting in that market. So you would know तांबा किसके पास मिलता है. And you should know. So that because a client has trusted you and reached you, and maybe that's the first person they have reached out to, and maybe you are the last person they might reach out to. So it's your ethical responsibility and a great entrepreneurial skill to build a directory of resources. आपके आसपास के 20 किलोमीटर के हर थेरेपिस्ट का नाम और नंबर आपको पता होना चाहिए. So this was the first thing that I did as I started. In 20 years, 20 kilometers of my vicinity, I met every therapist. Checked with them, can I come and meet you? Took them out for a cup of coffee, understood what they do. Didn't start selling myself. This is my, please send me clients. No. I went, met them, आप क्या करते हो, कैसा करते हो, कितने साल से कर रहे हो. And अगर मेरे पास कोई आया जो आपकी expertise का है, is it all right if I send them to you? I met all the psychiatrists around me. Some of them liked me, some of them didn't like me. Great. right? So you meet everyone. That's the first thing you do as a practitioner, and this is your skill as an entrepreneur. You should know where to send your client. Okay? Great. I think I'll just, हाँ, क्योंकि किसी ने पूछा है, फाइंडिंग योर नीश का ये रेसिपी है. अगर नोट करना चाहो तो कर लो, बड़ी मुश्किल से निकाला है. It needs to be profitable. नीश के मतलब ऐसी नीश नहीं बना सकते जो किसी को चाहिए ही नहीं. I will come up with dog therapy plus movement therapy plus music therapy. This is my niche. Do people need it? अभी तक किसी ने बोला नहीं है ना, तो ऐसा नीश नहीं होता है. नीश वो होता है जो लोगों को चाहिए भी. इट नीड्स टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल. आप अकेले कर रहे हो बैठ के, नहीं मेरा नीश है, दैट इज नॉट नीश, दैट इज बिकमिंग ऑरी. ओके, आई एम डूइंग दिस. वी डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. सेकेंड, यू नीड टू हैव कॉम्पिटेंस टू डू इट. वो नीश तभी है जब आप श्योर हो, उसमें सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेट नहीं, आपने डिप्लोमा किया है, आप उसके कंपटीशन के को भी जानते हो. हु इज योर कंपटीशन? यू चूज अ नीश व्हेन यू नो हु आर कंपेटिटर्स इन दैट नीश. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर डेवलपिंग अ नीश इन revolutionizing mental health workplaces. Okay, in workplaces. So I know my competitors in India. I have an Excel sheet कि अगले 20 साल में उन्होंने क्या क्या काम किया है, उन्होंने कितने प्रॉफिट्स बनाए हैं, कितने लॉसेस बनाए हैं, व्हाट इज देयर स्ट्रैटेजी, व्हाट इज देयर टेक प्रोडक्ट. आई नो माई कंपेटिटर्स वेल. दैट्स वाई आई नो दिस इज माई नीश. क्योंकि वो पढ़कर मुझे समझ में आ गया कि अच्छा ये ऑलरेडी मार्केट ने ले लिया है, तभी ये मेरे कंपेटिटर्स है ना. मतलब मार्केट रिसीव कर रहा है ये, बट आई विल मेक समथिंग मोर दैट दे आर डूइंग. दैट्स वाई इट विल बिकम माई नीश. इफ आई एग्जैक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट, हम लोग कई बार कर रहे हैं आजकल, किसी का इंस्टाग्राम से पोस्ट निकाल के कॉपी पेस्ट करके डाल दिया. दैट्स नॉट योर नीश. नीदर इज योर स्टार्टअप अ नीश. स्टार्टअप शुड नॉट बी अ नीश. इट नीड्स टू बी एक्चुअली कॉमन. फर्स्ट लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए. ठीक है, पॉपुलेशन होना चाहिए, उसका डिमांड होना चाहिए. और डिमांड थोड़ी भी रही तो चलेगा, बट आपको क्रिएट करते आनी चाहिए. तो अगर आप डर रहे हो कि अरे यार बहुत लोग मेंटल हेल्थ स्पेस में आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारा कंपटीशन हो रहा है बड़े सिटीज़ में, डरो मत. एक्चुअली इट इज़ गुड फॉर द इकोनॉमी ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. दैट मीन्स 10,000 people outside who have done MBAs are talking about us. Great. Isn't it? We should be happy. ये डरो मत, बुरा मत मारो यार, ये MBA लोग स्टार्टअप बना रहे हैं, IIT वाले स्टार्टअप बना रहे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ प्रैक्टिशनर को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिल रहा है. नहीं, दे आर एक्चुअली क्रिएटिंग मार्केट फॉर अस. कैपिटलाइज इट, नॉट इन द वे ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म, बट work on it and identify that they have built the industry. Let's work on it. There is enough work in our country, right? They aren't really solving the mental health problem of this country. So this is how you find your niche. That's it. I'll close here. Thank you very much. I hope you all are able to make a great story. Okay. So a great story is in making. Just have patience. And that's why we are from Safe Stories. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you, Pooja, for the insights on different careers and also on the practical side of private practice. Now, last but not the least, before that, I would like to invite Dr. Rupa and Joshua from Mukta Charitable Foundation to felicitate Miss Pooja